Nestled in the rolling hills of Fairfield County lies the beautiful clear water Lake Monticello. Join me today as I explore new water and look for more fish. Let's go get it. Let's do this thing. That's a bite, guys. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I really think that was a bite. Hey Siri. That's 2 bites I've missed. I think in my last one, my drag was too loose. Maybe I'm figuring something out. On. Boom. Oh, let's go. Oh, that took so long. Oh, that took way too long, guys. That took way too long. But we got him. Beautiful LMB. Bite. On. Boom. Another fish. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Ha ha ha. Boop, boop, boop. Whoop. Let's talk about what we're using now, since we may have figured something out. Watermelon seed curly tail zoom on a 1/4 ounce bullet weight with a little weight stopper right here. Probably not ideal, but it's a great setup. I'm using a Quantum Strive 2500 on a Quantum Myth 7-foot medium. This is really one of my favorite setups for inshore saltwater fishing and striper, but it's what I had in the car, and it's getting it done on the bass too. Water temp's 84. Like I said earlier, water is gin clear, probably 15 feet visibility. And these fish seem to be in 15 to 20 feet of water. Because it's about, I don't know, 3 p.m. Sun is high. And it is steaming out here. Boy, I would love to find a pattern, because I have made a lot of fishless casts all throughout this lake. There is this high green grass. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's hydrilla or something, but it is everywhere, and really that's what's contributing to this water clarity, is all this vegetation is really purifying the water. Something else is messing with it. On. Better fish. Maybe not. What do we got here? Is this smallmouth? Nope. Oh, another largie. Oh my gosh, guys, we finally figured it out. It's taken a while. We figured it out though. And that's a beautiful thing. Let's get it released. We're just sitting off this point, 15 feet of water, and it has taken every bit of an hour and a half of just futile casting to find these fish. Throwing a Zoom pumpkin seed curly tail. I guess this is kind of like a green watermelon color. And if I'm fishing a new area that I'm not super comfortable with, this is one of my go-tos. Most of these fish have been kind of on the smaller side, so I've been biting off about 2 inches of the worm. With this super clear water, some sort of subtle presentation is really what you're looking for. So that's 2 fish here on this point. Let's see if we can't figure something out. Just want to apologize for the exposed leg. Man, these thighs are white. Must be summer of exposed leg, because I'm getting absolutely toasted. I should have brought long pants and I brought shorts, and now y'all have to suffer and I've got to suffer. But as long as we're catching fish, staying hydrated, boy, that's good. What was that? This wind's no joke. Let's try this out. Just a little white minnow. It's just so daggum clear. Fish. Oh, booyah. Booyah. The white minnow, guys. The white minnow. This little bait right here, little white grub, got it done. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. What an awesome afternoon exploring Monticello Reservoir. Be on the lookout for more content. Please consider subscribing, and see you next time.